Good day, everyone, and welcome. Before we start, we have a disclosure. Please be aware of risk in the future of trading. All our videos for educational purpose. You're very welcome to follow any of our automated signal. Very good start this morning. We have the market hit target 1, target 2, target 3 institutional number. Don't expect the market to go further down. We are in extremely good shape with the market, but the run down to the short side is over, and now we are recovering from the short. So you have to be really careful to continue taking short on the Nasdaq. And then we had the buy signal right at the bottom, 23,610. But this is the trick where it's not yet over to initiate a long trade on the Nasdaq at this moment. So you gotta be careful with the Nasdaq. Don't run and start taking a long trade on the Nasdaq. It's not gonna do the trick. So you have to be careful with the Nasdaq. However, on the ES, we are using the scalper, and we have also the swing trading as well. But the scalper is doing very well as well at this moment. So let's see, we can get one of the scalper, and here it is. Already took a short trade, and in the last 30 minutes made 575, and now we are going on the short trade with the scalper. So we are doing, there is no long on the Nasdaq, so do not allow your auto trade to take long. It's very simple. The question is why there are so many lines, because there are a lot of resistance on the Nasdaq, and there is no long on the Nasdaq. There is no long. There are a tremendous support. There is a re-entry at 23,700, a lot of resistance. So a long trade is out of the question, and now the scalper closed that trade. We are 775 now. Is taking a long trade, and it's very tight on the Nasdaq, on the ES. So we'll see what happened with the ES, but the Nasdaq is down on the Nasdaq. ES is going sideways. There is not much going on the ES, so be careful with the ES. Now I'm trying to reverse. This is the reverse scalper, so it's trying to reverse the trend. So we'll see what happened. We hit the institutional numbers. Everything is fine. So really tight on the Nasdaq as well right now, and the ES. Be careful, there is no long on the Nasdaq, please. Be careful. The scalper took a short trade. Let's see what happened with the short trade. The market is really sideways. You have to be careful. The market is really sideways. You have to be really careful. Be careful with the market is really sideways. There is a new signal on the CL buy, a new signal on the CL to buy. We're gonna hold the trade on the scalper. Is reversing, and the market has no direction. We're gonna hold on the trades. Also, the ES facing a problem, getting stuck with a reversal at 64.51, and have a lot of support on 64.35. So also the ES is sideways. So you gotta be careful on the ES as well. And there is no long on the Nasdaq, it's only short. And we have a buy signal on the CL, and the CL is doing very well. Once we cross the 69.84, we're gonna go to the 70.08. It's doing fine. Always when there is a problem with Nasdaq and ES, you always can find the trades on the CL. Always, always remember that. A lot of people refuge to the CL because it will be a trend. And right now, the Nasdaq and the ES are not trending. So be careful, please. Be careful, no movement in the market. Reactivating the scalper again. The CL is doing very well with the signal. And already hit the target 69.89, and it is done. It was a beautiful signal from the CL, and we're done with the CL. Now we're still suffering with the ES and NASDAQ. They're not moving. The stop loss on the ES is extremely tight, and that's why really it would have been better if we have the stop loss higher, but we are using on this one here very tight stop loss. Just a few ticks. Here it is, the NASDAQ giving up again. As we said, there is no long on the NASDAQ, but still not trending very well. If we cross the 23,621, we're going directly to the 23,547. So now we are hanging on this double support area, 23,623. We need to keep our eye on it. Be careful with the Nasdaq is struggling on that level, 23,630, followed by 23,621. And the scalper is stopped taking trades at this moment. Here it is, breaking this level. If we are breaking that 23,623, that's mean we're going to the second level, 23,549. The ES is still stuck on the support area, 6436. Please be careful today, do not get aggressive. The market is not really trending. You have to be careful. The only re-entry you have on the Nasdaq is right here, 23,634. But the market is really going slow, and we have a problem at 23,551. So if you're not in a trade on the Nasdaq, it's easy to take the 23,632 short. Of course, pullback re-entry short. Okay, we're coming to the support area, 23,552. And the final destination is 23,521 on the Nasdaq, and it is this one for the morning session is finished. Those are the signal coming from the market analyzer. If we look at the Nasdaq, 131 from the last entry signal, 730 based on one contract, and we have two. So this is double the amount because of the market analyzer. We have it on one, and with the ES, from the signal on the ES, we have 29 ticks into profit based on the last entry signal. Usually the signals fire here at this location, and we have two contracts, 387 400 right now, based on one contract, and this is two contracts. So they're doing fine, both of them. Now we're coming to strong support area. On the Nasdaq, even if you move the trailing stop, the auto trade will adjust the trailing stop. And now we have a new signal on the YM. You can see where's the new signal on the YM. Same as those white ones signal. And now we have a sell signal on the YM. and the YM took the trade. There is 5 auto trades, and the YM took the trade from the signal. Here it is, the signal, and here is the trade on the YM. On the swing trading, the Nasdaq made 16,000. This one not swing trading. This one here is just a normal scalper, 3,300. Is a new signal on a 30-year treasury bond. There is a new signal, buy. It's perfect because when the 30-year treasury bond, we have a buy signal, that means we have a very strong short on the ES. We're gonna extend the target to the lower level on the ES to 64.13.25. The Nasdaq still having a problem with that support. The YM already $360 up. You can break even if you want to. Or you can leave the trailing stop and the auto trade will move your trailing stop to the fib line. So we're doing fine. On the YM, once we break that support area, leave it where it is right now, 44,536 on the YM is good enough. Finally, the Nasdaq fixing to break the support area. And the final destination, 23,520 for the morning session, which is perfect, right in line, and it is perfect where it is right now. This is the morning session is finished. For the ES is very good, 64.13. Final destination for the morning session. The YM is perfect. Target right above the double support is 44,537. Now, if the market trending, the auto trade extend the target by itself. If you notice, if the market is trending, the auto trade will extend the target by itself automatically. Watch it. Now we have it right above the support area, and we have the ES right above the support area, and the YM right above the support area. Now what we are going to do, we leave it alone. And if the market is trending, the auto trade will automatically extend the target. Most likely is going to extend the target on the ES. So keep your eye on the ES. The Nasdaq is 18,000. And you can see how the targets has extended. Well, at the beginning was a little bit hard, and now we're doing fine. Finally, the market moved, and now it's 11 o'clock, so we are done for today. But it was a very good day. Despite the difficulties at the beginning, we managed to pull out of a sideways market, and we stay without going long on the Nasdaq because it was a lot of resistance, and the ES was sideways, and at the beginning was really hard to make any profit. And then when the market start moving, here it is, all working beautifully. We say thank you very much for today, and we wish you a pleasant day for the rest of the day. Bye for now.